Good morning, children. Today we will start with our second part of the same chapter, that is first chapter, Early Societies from the Beginning of Time. The story of human evolution. The story of human evolution is enormously long and somewhat complicated. There are also many unanswered questions. Story of human evolution is complicated. By about 24 million years ago, there emerged a subgroup amongst primates called hominoids in Asia and Africa. This included the apes and humans. Hominids were evolved from hominoids and share certain common features. There are major differences between the two also, that is, there is a major differences between hominoids and hominids. Hominids belong to a family known as Hominidae. Hominids are further divided into branches that are called as genus, of which Australopithecus and Homo are important. Hominids. Two parts, Australopithecus and Homo. Now let us first read about Australopithecus. Latin word austral meaning southern, Greek word pithekos meaning ape. The meaning here is southern ape. They retained many features of apes. They have a small brain size, heavier jaws and larger teeth. Fossils were discovered from Olduvai Gorge in East Africa. 5.6 million years ago they were found. Secondly, Homo. Latin word homo meaning men. They have larger brain, jaws with a reduced outward protrusion and smaller teeth. They happen to be there 2.5 million years ago. The discovery of Australopithecus at Olduvai Gorge, 17 July 1959. The Olduvai Gorge was first discovered in the early 20th century by a German butterfly collector. However, Olduvai has come to be identified with Mary and Louis Leakey, who worked here for over 40 years. It was Mary Leakey who directed archaeological excavations at Olduvai and Laetoli.